Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Teams on your desktop and signing in with your work account. Once done, go straight to the Calendar tab and click New Meeting or Meet Now to begin a scheduling flow. Make sure you have the colleague's name or email handy so you can add them to the meeting fields. This step is how you surface availability. It avoids toggling through settings and gets you directly to the scheduling assistant tools. After adding the person to the meeting invite, open the scheduling assistant within Teams. You'll see a time grid that shows free and busy blocks for invitees. This is how Teams and Exchange expose availability without sharing full calendar details. Once visible, move the proposed time slot and watch conflicts update in real time so you can find a window that works. If you need more detail than free/busy, switch to Outlook where shared calendars or delegate permissions reveal event specifics. When you've found an acceptable time, send the meeting invite to confirm and notify the person. That finalizes the hold on both calendars. If you require full visibility beyond free/busy, ask the colleague to share their calendar or grant you delegate access in Outlook. This is why you sometimes only see blanks. If availability data is missing, make sure external or organization calendar sharing isn't restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.